This is a follow-up to a part 1 video. I missed a step as pointed out by a member. The chuck in the first video was not spring back. I spent about 10 minutes trying to get it lined up correctly. Make note of this slight difference on the slide. It's got a slight flat to this side. In this orientation, the flat should be clockwise to the chuck. I have sped most of the video up to save you the pain of watching me struggle. But let's slow it down now where I get it snugged in correctly. It's just a case of getting things lined up right. Perseverance is key. You'll feel a firm resistance when you have it in the right spot. The chuck should snap back like this. Then you can return your circlip. Please like and subscribe if you got value from this. If you missed part 1, please check it out too.